Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your previous class, you learned about the properties of division. Okay, you know about properties of division. For example, zero properties and also commutative property. Is like also here. Today, I have discussed about. I let us study about only division by the some examples. Dear students, you know about division in your previous class also. Previous class also you learn about the division. For example of division, very simple is that, for example, 24 is divisible by 3 is there. This is one example. The sign is division. Therefore, 24 is divisible by 3. Got it? Okay, that's this right. 3 divided by 24. This line is that. You can take 3 tables to 24 nearest. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, up to 3 eights are 3 eights are 24, remainder is 0. Again, second one example, check yourself once again. Therefore, second one is 36 is divisible by 5. Check yourself. 36 is divisible by 5. The sign is divisible. Again, you can take division rule. This side is there na. Therefore, 5 is divisible. 5, 36. You can take this line. Again, you can take 5 tables. 5 tables nearest to 36. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. First one is 36 is there, 35 is there. You can take minus 36 minus 35 means only there is 1. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 7. This quotient is 8. Remainder is 0. So what are the rules of here in the division? What is the value of 3? 3 and 5 and 7 and 8. What are the values? And also 24 and 36. And also 0 and 1 are what? Okay. Our division is based on our Euclidean algorithm theorem. That is what? Divide and is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Is there. This is our division formula. Divider, remainder. Got it? This is our division rule is the. Dear students, what is a dividend? What is a divisor? What is a quotient and the remainder is what? Okay. Put your values. For example, consider this example. In the given question, in this question, 36 is what? Dividend. Listen here. 36 is dividend. Therefore, 36 is equal to divisor means that is 5. 5 is divisor. In 5 into sign is the into. Quotient. Quotient means this is 7 is quotient. 7 is quotient is the 7 plus remainder. This is remainder. Remainder is only 1. You can take the name of all the rules. The first 36 is dividend. Next 7 is quotient. 7 is quotient. The next one is what? 5 is divisor. 5 is divisor. The last one is what? This is remainder. Got it? Listen here. Dear students, in your division, by division rule is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is equal sign. Equal sign is 36 is equal to 5 into 7 plus 1 is the LHS could RHS whole square is the LHS is equal to RHS is the LHS is equal to RHS is there. In the LHS, 36 is there. Is equal to. In this side, 5 into 7 is there. 5 into 7 means 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 is there. Therefore, simplification 36 is equal to 35 plus 1 is what? Again 36. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Both sides 36, 36 same is there. Therefore, our condition is, our division condition is false good. What is? In this type of examples are here. Check yourself some examples are your division in your textbook. The first one is what? First one example. First one, example number 1, divide 8,25,476 divided by, or otherwise by 72. This is first example. Second one, we can take second one also. Second example, divide 35 lakh 32,546 by 98 is there. 98 is there. Check yourself this division of examples. Okay. First of all, the problem is by the division is there. This is dividend. This is divisor. Question is divide. Divide 8,25,476 by 72 is there. Okay, we can take this like solution. Therefore 72. Next dividend is 8,25,476. Can take this like. Next, this is 2-digit number is the 2-digit number. Consider only 2 digits. 72 and 82 is the. Therefore 72 ones are 72. Next you can take subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next 8 minus 7 is only 1. Next you can take 5. Again you can take 5. Next 72. 72 you can take 72 tables. 72 ones are 72. Again minus. Therefore 5 minus 2 is 3 is there. You can take carry 1, that is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3 is there. That is 0. 0 is there. Got it? The next again you can take 4 in downside. 4. Next 72. You can take multiplication 3. 34. 72 into 3 is 72 into you can take 3. 3 to the 6. 3 sevens are 21, but 216 is there. This is 300 something is there. Again you can take 72, 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 sevens are 35. That's also more is there. You can take 72, 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 sevens are 28 is there. 28. Therefore this is 4s are 72 4s are 288. 1 second check. 4 2s are 8. 4 sevens are 28 user. Next. Therefore again minus. 4 minus 8 is impossible. You can take carry 1. 14 minus 8 is 6 is there. Again 3 minus 9 is impossible. You can take carry 1. 13 minus 9 is 4. Again 3 minus 3 is 0 is there. Again you can take downside, that is 7. Next again 72 tables nearest to 467. Therefore 72 into 7s are 72 into 7s are 72 7s are. You can take 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. 50 is there. But this is biggest number. You can take 72 6 the 6 2s are 12. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43 is the 43. 42. Next, therefore, this is 72 6 the 432. Again minus, therefore 7 minus 2 is what? 5 is the 6 minus 3 is 3 is the therefore remaining 4 minus 4 is 0 is the last one you can take 6. Therefore next multiplication again, therefore remainder is what? 356 is the again you can take 72 nearest 7 is or you can take 5 is 5 2 is 10 5 7 is 35 36 is the this is more is the again you can take 72 4 is 4 2 is 8 4 7 is 28 is the 4 7 is 28 is the therefore you can take 4 what right. Next, therefore 288. Next you can take remainder. Next again minus, therefore 6 minus 8 is impossible. You can take carry 16 minus 8 is 8. Again you can take carry 1 15 minus 9 is what? 6 is the remainder is 0. Therefore this example is over. 68 is remainder. 68 is remainder. This 11,464 is quotient. This is divisor, dividend. This is the divisor is the therefore again check yourself once again. Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore put the value. Value is what? Again you can take values. Dividing is what? 8,25,476 is equal to divisor means 72 into quotient 11,464 in plus remainder is what? Remainder is 68 is the next simplification. 8,25,476 is equal to multiplication 72 into 11,464. 11,464 into 72 into is the 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 8s are 2 4s are 8, 8 1 9, 2 2 plus again you can take 7, 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 is 44. Next 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32, carry 3, 7 on the 7, carry 3 is that is 10, 7 on the 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 is the therefore 2 for 8, 10, 14, 5, 2, 8 is the therefore 8,25,408 is the plus 60 is the therefore 8,25,476 is equal to 8 lakh again this two addition 25,476 is the LHS is equal to RHS is equal. This is division. Division is based on dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is dividend. This is divisor. Got it? Again same this like second example. Try yourself. Second one. Okay. Second one also divide 35 lakhs 32,546 divisible by 98. This is divisor. This one is dividend is the again therefore consider solution is this like is the therefore 98. Next dividend is 35 lakh 32,546. Therefore, next you can take only 2-digit number is there. This is also 2-digit number, but this 2-digit number is more than this one is there. Again, you can take consider 3 digits. Then consider 3 digits. You can take the 98 multiples. The multiples of 98. Therefore, 98. You can take 4s up. 98 4s up. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36, but 39 is that. This is more is the next 98 3s are 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 is 29 is that. Therefore, again you can take 98 3s are 294 divided by minus sign is there. Next, minus 3 minus 4 is impossible. You can take carry 1. 13 minus 4 is 9 is there. Next, again you can take 5. 5 minus 10 is impossible. You can take carry 1. 15 minus 10 is only 5. Remainder is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0 is there. Next, you can take 2 in downside. 2. The remainder is 592. Therefore, again 98. You can take 4s are 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39 is there. But you can take 98 5s are 98 5s are. Therefore, 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4 is 49 is there. 49. Again you can take 98 6s are. Therefore, 6 8s are 48. Next, 6 9s are 56. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 4 is what? 58 is that. 58. Once again, 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 4 is 58 is that. Therefore, this you can take 98 6 Therefore, 588. Next, again subtract. Therefore, minus sign can subtract. 2 minus 8 is impossible. You can take carry 1. 12 minus 8 is 4 is there. Again, 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. You can take downside, that is 5. Okay. But you can take 5 downside, that is 45 is there. 45 is not divisible by 98. Again, you can take second 4 number. 4 you can take 0. Next, 98. 98 4s are 98 4s are 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 30. 36. 36 plus 3 is 39 is there. Therefore, 4s are 392. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 9 is impossible. You can take carry. 15 minus 9 is 6 is there. Again 4 minus 4 is 0. Next you can take 6 in downside. 6. Therefore, again last multiplication 98 nearest to 626. Therefore, 98 6 or otherwise 5 are 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4 is 48 is that. 48. You can take 6. 98 6 are 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 44. 54, 54 plus 58 is the 58. Next you can take this is 6 588. Remainder is 6 minus 8 is impossible. You can take carry 1. That is 16 minus 8 is 8. Next you can take carry 2. That is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Remainder is 0 is the. Therefore your remainder is 38. Next you can take your formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into cosine plus remainder. Again substitute the values. Dividend is what? Dividend is 35,000, 32,000, 35 lakhs, 32,546 is equal to divisor 98, cosine 36,046 plus remainder is what? 38 is that. Next same as it is 35 lakh 32,546 is equal to the product of these two 36,046 into 98 is there. The product of these two, therefore 8 6 are 8 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 32, 32 plus 4 is what? 36. 36 directly 0 is it? 3. Next again 8 6 are 48. You take 4 48. Next 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 is that. Again plus next 9 6 are 54. Carry 5. Next 36 plus 1 is 41 is the 140 carry 1 direct no problem. Again 9 6 the 54 carry 5 is the again 9 3 the 27 plus 27 plus 5 is what? 32 is the 32 is the therefore 8 10 5 next 12 next 13 5 3 is the therefore 35 lakh 32,508 plus 38. Next simplification therefore 35,000 35 lakh 32,546 is equal to 35,000. This equation is what? 35 lakhs 32,546 is the LHS is equal to RHS. These all are division examples. We can do in our practice in our homework, in your exercise. I shall continue next class. This division is depending on only our rule is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder as well. Got it? I shall continue next class.